There's a new law in part of Pakistan. It's the Taliban's, and it's close to medieval.
Welcome to The Story of Suleiman Jan, a film that captures the essence of my life as an online worker and the exciting events that have shaped my journey. From the challenges of working remotely to the thrill of participating in online events. This documentary takes you on a unique ride. I've faced many obstacles along the way, but through hard work and determination, I've achieved success beyond my wildest dreams. Join me as we delve into the world of online work and experience the incredible moments that have defined my life. This is my story. My career started in a challenging environment in Swat Valley during some of the most challenging times in our country's history. I came into this profession walking on flames and corpses. Unfortunately, we faced a situation where the extremists closed the educational institutions and challenged the governmentorate. Instead, I picked up a camera and showed the world through the lens the cruelty and devastation in my area.
تاسو هغه مناظر ګورئ هغه زمونږ کیمرامین تاسو لپاره ریکارډ کړي دي په هغه وخت کې چې کوم وخت کې د پولیسو او د دې خلکو ترمنځ خټې کېدې. I showed the world through the eye of the camera the cruelty to humanity in my area, where I worked for national and international TV channels. During the militancy, my video footage was shown in news broadcasts around the world. And I'm honored that some of the footage I recorded during the period of extremism from 2007 to 2010 was featured in the Hollywood film, I Malala, based on Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai. And that's how I got associated with the media today. Thankfully, now there's complete peace in our country. Since then, I've continued to work as a video producer and editor. Using my skills to create a wide range of content for different organizations. My passion for storytelling has always driven me, and I'm always looking for new ways to push the boundaries of video production. Whether I'm working in a conflict zone or on a corporate project, I'm committed to delivering high-quality work that exceeds my clients' expectations. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about me and my work. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with you and bring your story to life through video.